Hello and welcome to the first video of the updated edition of our Smart Money Concepts course, exclusively here on the Com Lucro channel. This is not just another playlist. This is a complete trading masterclass full course, fully revised to reflect the most current market behavior, structure, and execution logic used by professional traders. This update is being released progressively, with new lessons added 2 to 3 times per week. If you are starting today, you may notice that not all modules have been re-uploaded yet. That is perfectly normal. You can still watch the previous versions of the course, which remain extremely valuable and already contain many of the core lessons to succeed in trading. In fact, the earlier version covers several foundational topics that connect directly with what we are building now, and we strongly recommend exploring the original playlist while the update is ongoing. You will begin with a complete guide to market structure, learning how to read price action trading strategies with clarity and confidence, and how to identify trends that actually offer high probability opportunities. From there, you will master the change of character, or CHO, one of the most important concepts for understanding market reversals and shifts in control. You will also dive deep into liquidity concepts, including buy-side and sell-side liquidity, fair value gaps, and inducements. These are the building blocks behind every professional supply and demand trading strategy and are essential for understanding smart money behavior. We then break down order blocks, breaker blocks, equal highs, and supply and demand zones, showing you how to apply them in real market conditions, not in theory. You will learn how to operate within discount and premium levels and how higher time frame forex trading creates context that protects you from low-quality trades on lower time frames. In the more advanced modules, you will explore topics such as the depth of market, top-down analysis, pullback validation, and a complete step-by-step smart money trading plan designed for consistency, not overtrading. All of these lessons remain 100% relevant and directly support the updated version of this course. Watching them now will give you a strong head start and accelerate your progress. Looking ahead, this updated program is structured into more than 10 comprehensive modules. We guide you from foundational principles to advanced execution, focusing on how to think, plan, and operate like smart money. Whether you are new to trading or refining your edge, his course is designed to answer what many traders search for: how to make money in forex trading with structure, discipline, and clarity. We begin with the core pillars of trading psychology, risk management, and smart money concepts fundamentals, before moving into precise strategies that help you make calm, confident, and well-timed decisions. Many traders search for the only trading psychology video they need, and the truth is that psychology cannot be separated from execution. That is why discipline, emotional control, and consistency are deeply integrated into every part of this course. To support your learning even further, explore our YouTube channel, where we have organized dedicated playlists covering smart money concepts, trading psychology, and technical analysis for beginners who want to truly understand how price moves. You will also find practical content on indicators like RSI, MACD, and order blocks, short educational videos under 60 seconds, and insights from some of the most respected minds in trading and investing. All relevant links are available in the video description below. Take your time, explore each playlist, and keep evolving, one lesson at a time. Thank you for watching this first video. In the next lesson, we will begin exploring the true foundations of smart money concepts and how to apply them with precision in real market conditions. We are excited to be part of your journey. Let us continue learning, improving, and trading smarter together. The next lesson will already appear in the video card, along with a direct link to the full playlist, so you can keep progressing without interruption. See you in the next session.